Hello, my beautiful viewers. Welcome back to my kitchen. If you're new here, this is Jomi Creative Kitchen with Joy. Don't forget to subscribe to my channel, like it, and share it with others. Press the notification bell so that you will be aware anytime I upload a new video. For my returning subscribers, thank you so much for your love and support. Without taking much of your time, I'm going to tell you how I prepare this dinner roll. It is milky, fluffy, and rich. So, let's get to the kitchen. I begin by pouring warm milk into the mixing bowl, followed by the sugar. Then I give it a quick stir. To it, I add 1 egg, stir it a little bit, then add the yeast and the butter, the melted butter. I'm going to mix all together. At this point, I'm going to mix the dry ingredients by adding the salt into the flour and mix them well. Now I pour half of the flour mixture into the wet ingredients and mix them well. Then add the rest of the flour. With the help of my wooden spatula, I'm going to mix them until they are thickened. I'm going to transfer the dough to the work surface. When you find out that your dough is very sticky like mine, don't worry. All you need to do is to take half cup of flour and sprinkle some flour on the work surface as you go. And you will find out you are going to form a nice soft dough we are looking for. When you are through with the kneading, you will find out that the dough is very soft and tacky. When you touch it, it will bounce back and it is elastic. Then you know that it is ready. In a clean dry bowl, I'm going to grease it with vegetable oil or cooking oil with the help of my pastry brush. I'm going to transfer the dough into the bowl and make sure it is covered with oil. Seal it up with the plastic wrap. And then set it aside to proof. I'm going to leave it to rest in a warm environment for 45 minutes, depending on the temperature of your room. 45 minutes later, here is the dough double in size. I punch the dough to release the air. I fold it and transfer it to the work surface. Then form a round ball shape. I'm going to portion it like so, in a small size. With the dough, I'm going to form a small ball shape. Make sure it is equal or similar to be equal. If you want to be sure, you can make use of your kitchen scale, like so. Then I begin to place it into a baking tray. I lay each ball into the baking tray lined up with parchment paper to avoid sticking. Try as much as you can to make the balls to be equal in size. Why it is important to make it equal in size is that at the end of it, it will bake equally and the results will look so nice in uniform. After that, with the help of my pastry brush, I'm going to grease the dough with oil. Now seal it up with the plastic wrap. And transfer it to a warm environment to cool for 20 to 30 minutes, depending on the temperature of your room. 20 minutes later, we have finally proofed the dough. I'm going to apply the egg wash. In here, I have 1 egg. Then I'm going to add a teaspoon of milk and give it a quick stir. Now with the help of the pastry brush, I'm going to apply the egg wash on the dough. Look at how beautiful they are looking already. I can't even wait to see the final result when they are fully baked. Hey! Transfer it to the preheated oven and bake for 18 minutes at 160 degrees centigrade. 18 minutes later, our dinner rolls are fully baked and ready. I'm going to rub a small chunk of butter like so on it. Now leave it to cool. I can tell you these dinner rolls are very fluffy. They are nice. Let me transfer it to the cooling rack and show you how the inside looks like. Take a look at this. Cotton-like, soft, yummy and milky. Give it a try and you'll thank me later. God bless you.